All right, really did not think I would have to do like a part 2 to last year's hurricane documentary, but it's come to this point. Yeah, it's not looking good.
If the storm does go a little bit farther to the south and to the east and maybe takes a track like this, the storm surge in the Tampa Bay area will be much worse. Or even if the storm kind of parallels the coast more like this, the storm surge in the Tampa Bay area is going to be much worse. I'm actually really concerned about Tampa.
If a hurricane hits north of Tampa Bay and passes by Tampa Bay close enough, it is the absolute worst case scenario. So every single storm I've ever seen hit the Gulf Coast of Florida hits south of the predicted track. We will see record flooding across the Gulf Coast of Florida. I'm talking neighborhoods underwater.
In the Tampa Bay area as well, as water will be piling up literally with nowhere to go. So what happens? It rises. And that's why we give a storm surge warning.
So the hurricane looks like it's gonna hit north of us, which means the storm surge will be shoved right into us because the southern side is the worst. We are on a first floor apartment in Zone A flood zone. So we're mandatory evacuation. We're in a 4-floor apartment complex, but we are on the first floor and everyone above us is just gonna be thriving in paradise, and then we're gonna probably have all of our shit destroyed. So we're not looking forward to it. I'll probably film some of the storm, but the storm's gonna hit end the night. So like, you can't even really film anything anyways. So it's kind of like the lamest thing ever, because I actually enjoy storms, but I can't even enjoy this one because my stuff's gonna probably get ruined. I think the elevation where I'm at is 3 feet. And also, it's gonna be dark. So yeah, whatever. Not too thrilled. Wish us luck. Got some sandbags that we will try to board up both of our doors. All right, so yeah, that's the storm right behind me. The first outer band's pretty exciting. It's like 2 p.m. on Tuesday. It's supposed to really impact us in like, I guess like 12 hours. It'll be like at the peak. It is beautiful. I actually kind of want to just wait it out here, but Shelby doesn't want to, and I don't blame her. We are under mandatory evacuation. So down South Florida right now, it's hitting more, and there's actually like tornado warnings. Marco Island, I've actually been there. We know someone who lives there. They could be getting their house destroyed by a tornado right now. Who knows? This is looking crazy. Well, we decided to evacuate. We are taking some insane precautions, but you never know. I never seen a couch like that before. Had to uninstall my surround sound. Got a subwoofer up here. And got my computer, surround sound and speakers, everything up high. Taking her too. So we sandbagged this door. I've never done sandbags before, but don't even know if that's gonna do anything, but we are desperate. Now we just gotta do our other door after we get out and lock it. We had to buy these for like $6 each too. Spend like 50 bucks on sand. Definitely a ghost town. There would definitely usually be more cars than this at 7 p.m. All right, so this is 7 p.m. I think it's like 5 hours before impact. and this Wawa is open. I am so surprised this place is open. Just got to the G's crib for the evacuation zone. Yeah, big old storm. We left my apartment. Here we are. We're at like what, like 50 feet?
I think it's like 60 something.
60 feet.
We're in the hurricane bunker.
Hurricane bunker, hurricane-proof windows. All right, I gotta update this thing. It's some major bull crap. This thing is absolutely minor and minuscule as hell, which I should be happy, and I am, because I don't want my apartment getting ruined, and it was very stressful. But I feel like I was lied to and did all this prep, evacuated for nothing. It's 9 p.m. and this is what's going on. All right, so yeah, this is where we're at right now. So the hurricane eye is almost straight west of us. It's a little bit south still, but we're getting hit with some bands, but it ain't really that, yeah, it ain't really bad at all. It's coming down. All right, we are out driving at 1:48 a.m. trying to, you know, we're just trying to see some storm surge.
All right, it's definitely pretty crazy out here. We got flooding, which is what we're trying to find.
Look at this. Dude, and out there?
Look at that. These waves are like at the level of us. Dude, isn't that usually way lower right there?
Oh my God, the water is spraying onto the road. That bridge right there, oh my God, dude, is pretty fucking windy right now. Water comes to the bottom of the bridge, like you couldn't go underneath. Look at the ocean is right there. All right, so we're on the bridge. This is like never close to this high, dude. Dude, there is moments. It's hard to stand sometimes. Yeah, man. Hard to even hold my phone right now. Damn, this is crazy, dude. Holy shit! It's a little scary, dude. Like, it really does feel like it could blow us over, man.
On the bridge that is like got no gaps underneath from all the water being so high. Damn, this is crazy, dude. It feels good though, right? The wind and
We're seeing power flashes out here. Like, I don't know if it's like tiny little tornadoes or it's just that strong a wind, but it's seriously making power flashes. You know, that means like when an electrical box gets destroyed by wind, it happens in tornadoes all the time. And it makes a really bright flash. Damn! That's dumb. Honestly, props to Zach for driving in this. Because I didn't want to be doing it. It definitely was coming down pretty hard at this point. It was like 3 a.m. Definitely a lot of debris around. We're gonna go and check out our apartment.
Broken bamboo.
Oh dang. Definitely nervous. We just heard someone's apartment is flooded who lives near the bay, kind of like how we do, so not so excited. All right, we're just dealing with some really heavy traffic right now. It's pretty tragic, as you can see. Bumper to bumper, yeah.
Holy shit.
Not so cool, but no, this is amazing. This is insane. This would never be happening if there was not a hurricane. this is not usually have any water, and we're getting close to our apartment, so this is like got me nervous as hell, man. This is right outside our apartment, but it's looking good. It's definitely wet against the door, but I mean, it could just be like rainwater. Yeah, I think it's fine. Woo! But it's cool though. Me and Shelby here, we just moved in like 4 days ago.
Oh my god.
Just in time.
Yeah. Flying this drone, I just took it far away. I'm not gonna say how far. Huh? Oh. I think I broke a rule. But it's pretty windy right now for the drone, but it did its job. It's only going 5 meters a second.
I see it.
Oh, I was going a little bit north. Good eyes then, man. I almost thought I could hear it. I bet you do. It's so close. It's only got 10% back. I think I hear it. Oh yeah, I see it. There it is. It's trying to force land because its battery's at 8%. Come on, you piece of shit. Move forward, you bitch. Oh shit, this is bad. It's not moving forward. I don't want to. It's over the water. It's forced landing right now. No, it's not. It's gonna land on the roof now. Oh, you piece of shit, dude. It's gonna land like in a parking lot now, and someone might just go steal it or something. Holy shit, it's because of the wind. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, this is really bad. This is really bad. All right, let's get the fuck out of here. Yeah. Found the drone. Force landed over here. Drones ain't very good in the wind, I guess. Crazy. All right, so after that clip, we drove to the beach, or we tried to, and the cops had blocked it off at this bridge. They wouldn't let us pass this bridge, so I took the drone out there to go see what we could find. Definitely was scared to fly my drone again after that last fiasco, but on the Plus side, this time I was flying the drone into the wind on my way out, so I knew on the way back, flying with the wind, getting back to me, the most important part would be easy, thank God. Unlike the time before that, which was the complete opposite. So overall, the flooding was not as severe as what was predicted, but you can tell that this bike path here is flooded. Streets underwater right here. So this water was higher the night before when me and Zach were out there at 3 a.m. The street was underwater, as you guys could see. Well, at the time of filming this, that street wasn't even underwater anymore, so would have been cool to see this at the peak. I don't know, I think that was like 5 a.m. or something. This was all filmed at like 2 p.m., I think. So I can definitely see the streets are flooded. But look at the beach. That beach is never like that. I really wonder how deep that is, but see how those like green spots are just like completely, well, not completely, but mostly underwater. The waves out there look pretty good. I'm sure the surfers were loving that. But yeah, that whole long beach is usually just zero water, so that actually is quite a bit of water. Pretty weird to see, definitely not ever seen like that before. Those waves are huge. It was so windy while filming this. Then I decided to get this drone back as I already had enough bad luck with it today. I wasn't gonna try and test anymore. But yeah, that's the end of the video. Once again, the meteorologists and news people scared the hell out of us for nothing. It's like the boy who cried wolf. And happened to me last year with Hurricane Ian, now again with this one, and I don't really know if I'm gonna be ever evacuating ever again, to be honest. So, I don't know. We'll see. But thanks for watching. Peace out.